Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on OnePlus 11. And to do this you will need to open the Google Play Store. Right here in the search enter Google Classroom. Pick that app and hit the install. When it's ready, you should be able to open it, allow to send notifications, click on Get Started, pick the account, click on OK, then allow to send notifications again, I guess, and press on the plus button. Right here, choose Join Class, enter the class code right here, and when it's ready, you should be able to join your class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.